here we come again. I have just tried a new of my chargers, a new one, 11.9 volts input and 0.88, 0.9, 0.88 amps. It's the same like here it is shown on the multimeter, 0.88. The Celsius is not accurate because it is on the panel which is warming itself, so the sensor. So I would like to show it to you. This is the 5 volts 0.88, and what the hell is that? 60 milliamp. It's the extra charging, so it's not the real value of the full charging power. It's the extra, because the phone is consuming. Look, so when I made those videos about my free energy charger, which showed us 2.5 amp charging sometimes, or 2 amps of charging, you see 1 amp minus, and yeah, the 60 milliamp is only the plus, the real growing power. So when it shows, the program shows 100 milliamp, that means us that the phone is consuming about 0.8 amp, and it is like that. Look, you see, minus 1 amp, minus 0.9. So my theory was correct when I meant that we have to count to this 100 milliamp, we have to count the consuming of the phone. So it's the real charging is about 1 amp on the 4 volt battery, and this amperage shown is on 5 volts. You see, this is the cable, I just hacked it. And on the input output, so on both sides there are condensers, capacitors, to not be able to cheat the poor multimeter. So okay, so when the phone and the program shows us, for example, 2 amps of charging, as you can see in my previous videos, then it means 2 amps plus the 1 amp consuming from the phone, of course. So that's funny. Okay, so it means I had have on a circuit behind these boxes, I have that free energy circuit, I had have 8 watts plus energy, so 800% efficiency. I can show it to you, just a moment. Oh, moment. I can show it to you. There, you see? First time free energy with evidence. 5 watt plus. That was 8 watt. And there, 800% efficiency. You have to check those videos, it's really interesting. I have used there, the whole circuit has consumed 1.11 watts. 1.11 watts, and it was putting out about 8 watts charging the phone. So it's really interesting and it's fucking scary, but I would like to improve that circuit after the work of what if I did this. I don't know, maybe he is Chris, I am not sure, so sorry. I wanted to make contact with him, but he disagreed. So that circuit I wish to improve after his work. Subscriptions, just a moment. This is the same work as Amtech Industries makes, but I mean, what if I did this? He is a way more correcter. I mean, there, this, you see.
Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at one of the most important discoveries I found when researching Tesla's patents for the diode.
What if I did
that
this?
He has a particular patent for a diode. I'll pop it up on the screen. I can't remember the number right.
So now I have to go because somebody is waiting for me.
I couldn't really, because I'm experimenting with this all the time.
Moment. 0.00 watts.
It just
and
needs.
He's charging a battery and he's lighting those lights.
That's not really
there.
too important. Pretty damn obvious,
so,
and you think close. And
there,
I know it's DC
0.0
because
watts.
this AC meter
You see?
Never is triggered
0.0 watts.
By placing it anywhere.
So this circuit I wish to modify because
yeah,
I have made almost the same.
I know it's pulse DC, so
I have copied that.
I just found it interesting that you can get
yeah, it's interesting
that
because
effect
it was 800% efficiency.
Flip that magnet over.
So I have to go. Somebody is waiting for me.
The power supply there.
Peace. God bless all the creations. With an innocent, peaceful life.
Yeah, just by moving
save our souls.